Honorable members, you may get grievance debate. Honorable Governor Sepik.
Thank you, Mr. Assistant Speaker. Grievance blomi lotete mi like scream nigliki go long talk we. Good pla treasurer make him na. I talk also you may got plenty money na. I good pla. Same time too, all LLG presidents blomi bla only harim round him country also. Treasurer talk you may got plenty money, record money.
Ward councillor.
Or ward councillor too harim. So grievance blomi am also. Time mi bla bin kisim. Final budget outcome ikam long treasurer. Now this la budget debate and come up lo sampla behind time. Grievance blumi am also. Time mi karim this la book go back na mi lulug longem. This la number where treasurer mi talk also. Mi play making payment go pinis long all different all entities now all province now all district. I mean no reconcile one time actual case and mi come down. So look sabe blomi am also mi got some difference na me long all warrants where treasurer is our receive. Na actual case where finance is our paid. Na somehow this la tupla sa talk na me lo tupla ya.
And that's all.
So time tupla talk. Na one bla minister am karim. One bla complicated report also final budget outcome or this la media my for report come. Time only kisim ikam na put him long floor. Mi play sa. Got time to reconcile him whether him be an actual case or no got. Now I'm bringing narpla point now. This pla media my for report I'm supposed to come now lo this la parliament where me play supposed to kisim. One kind two also delay been stop lo final budget outcome go triple moon or get I know be him low. Now me come late lo parliament. The members in no got time lo redeem, no got time long debating. One can do now, my for report, I mean no come up where I'm supposed to come up lo this session lo parliament. So me like Trumem this la talk go lo side lo management lo country. Suppose this la kind of information na me talk pisin because no good me English na plan man be foul. So me must talk pisin so all people too can understand. Suppose this law information and staff lo hand law, respective department lo government na all no come na putting lo parliament lo right time. Mi blo leaders and mi blo operators mo long no. Mi blo no napsabe. Now this law information me no understand why only no na blo bianim law na kisimi come lo parliament lo time long. So that he can give him opportunity lo ogara leader staff lo house lo look long. You know mi blo opposition to solve by look. Plenty of minister were running department. All two, clock sim money long, running all department long. So all can look in display information and try and understanding why. One kind two, all member were only like running all district programs long, I know got money. As that's all. Some line all workman lo government come now only hand him checks long, all got a member lo backside. Let me understand also, maybe like got electronic payment system where. Enough only remit him this money go straight to provincial government. Private check lo alat bed na ipla kam na give me lo backside.
District too.
Then you may running on something. Taka books or private business blow me. I think it's demeaning for members of parliament to be collecting checks in the members chamber. I mean no good la passing. You mean got electronic payment system stuff where you should sell him straight to go province. You can give me check lo bami karim can you go na. Give him lo administrator lo by deposit him can. There seems to be an ad hoc way of managing the country, which I can see with the way Treasury and Finance are doing their business. Now, while I appreciate that these monies are for the people of East Sepik, me no like lo me at me current la check na gudan, me no couscous. Me got plenty couscous is stop long, province, and walk long. One kind two all Narbla province na district, he got couscous na district Tresrana. That's like an old money stuff, and walk long. So, ask him blow me I'm all same. Suppose lo next report by come lo final budget outcome long, hopefully lo March next year. Me like looking one plus reconcile report na me lo treasury na finance. Because while treasury can come na talk, oh look at me working work lo me. All get a warrant me writing pennies. You all get a kissing money. But then we find that provinces haven't received the funds. We find that the TFF hasn't been paid to the schools. We find that the PHAs also no kasi money belong all operate. So make him na force mipla member, mipla leaders belong Sepik, mipla sit down long. Last November na mipla use him DSIP long by Marasinken. Whereas this la money I'm supposed to either go long health department lo buy Marasin or this la money I'm supposed to go long PHA lo buy Marasin. All no kisi money. So mipla use him this la DSIP money, PSIP money. Where I'm supposed to mipla working on development law when I'm kind of project number those and not so treasury talk on project law member. Mipla ikirap na use him this la money lo buy Marasin ken. So time me harim treasury I'm talk all same. Mipla collect him record funding. Me oklo skelim lo me this la money I'm go away. One platok pisini toko sem planti money straight record windfall double 100%, 200%, kind percent. That's what me blame on looking. Who said he looking? This lam treasurer yet looking more, finance minister yet looking more. Executive government is all looking na. Me bla all get an by also on him. Me bla by staff no to talk now operate also. So thank you.
Governor is masquerading on the other side. He knows very well, and that's for a public consumption and the use of social media that is masquerading. The final budget outcome is clearly establishes disbursements last year. Final budget outcome was released already. He wants to talk about MIFO. You ask the treasurer, when is MIFO coming? MIFO is media for this year's use of fund. We talk about last year. The point of reference is final budget outcome 2024. It is there, public record. Look at the disbursement. He talks about Sepik not receiving TFF. I'll stand up here next week to tell exactly how much Sepik received for TFF last year. So don't just mouth off as if you have the statistics before you. When you talk about last year, look at FBO last year. I just want leaders to be conscious of using this privilege here to talk on assumptions and permeate this public space with negativity than reality. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Prime Minister,
Thank you, Mr. Assistant Speaker. I think I'm good laws and Prime Minister, I'm concerned, I'm sanap na me talk. Thank you, long. To be quite honest, Mr. Assistant Speaker, me at me bini guantap na me inform him treasurer also. 110 million when I'm talking infrastructure grant come log Sepik. You know been come. I may laugh now, I'm sorry. So me been asking Pinis na me come na me walk in this plan when I'm so. Contrary to what our good Prime Minister is saying, I'm not misleading the House. I know my facts because I've done my homework. Also na me come totoklo here. So with respect, I think the members of this honorable House deserve to know what is actually happening. You know, good plan lo you tromem hap talk loya na toko sa mi pla kisi wan bla monina. Bian mi pla by go back na check what in treasury blo mi pla. And when we go and we actually find out that the funds didn't come. Then mi pla by come back in na mi pla by finding treasurer knock lo do blo em ringing finance minister. We cause all kinds of headaches for these two ministers. So all I'm asking for is a reconciliation, because my understanding when I read the final budget outcome. Now, Prime Minister, I'm correct. Final budget outcome emlo last year. MIFO emlo this year. Me not talk also to apply same report. One talks about the past. One is indicating where we are going.
He's not correcting himself. Exactly correcting himself. When he said last year we didn't receive any funding, and I point to him correctly, MIFO is this year, and last year is final budget outcome. It's already released to public.
Mr. Prime Minister, me now make him ruling no point of order yet, now you give speech.